Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Ajmera Vikhroli by Ajmera Group located in Kanambar Nagar, Vikhroli, East Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel, where you can see the actual land parcel and also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housing. As you can see, this is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction has started. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of approximately 1.4 acres that will have 2 towers with ground plus 5 level of podium plus 31 residential floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near to Shushruta Hospital in Kanambar Nagar, Vikhroli East, from where Eastern Express Highway is only at a distance of 1 minute, Vikhroli Railway Station is at a distance of 2 minutes, Jogeshwari Vikhroli Link Road is at a distance of 3 minutes, upcoming metro station is at a distance of 4 minutes, and you have our city mall at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, garden, kids play area, senior citizen zone and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 400 plus square feet, 2 BHK in the carpet area of 610 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 810 square feet. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a priority reservation request of Rs 99,000 for 1 BHK, 1.49 lakh for 2 BHK and 1.99 lakh for 3 BHK. This will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts, preference in inventory selection, which means the priority reservation request clients will be called first on the day of the launch to choose their preferable inventory. Also 100% refundable, which means if the client doesn't want to proceed for any reason, the amount will be 100% refundable. Also, as you can see, this over here is the sales office where you can see the clients have already started visiting. So visit now and book your own inventory. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Ajmera Vikhroli by Ajmera Group located in Vikhroli, East Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.